Actually, yung eco vote ng NADCO helps the promotion of the cooperatives na nakikita nila ang kooperatiba ay going to digitalization. Yun po ang kagandahan kasi yung tingin sa co-op is mababa. Yun actually because what they think of us is manual lang tayo. But with the help of the eco vote of NADCO, nakikita nila na ang kooperatiba ay upgraded na rin. Upgraded, digitalized, and cooperatives can conduct election using digitalization. Nakikita nila, hindi tayo puro manual. Yon ang kagandahan that we have this eco vote. We can show to the public or to the whole world na ang co-op din ay kaya rin mag-conduct ng election to digitalize. Yon, it upgrades really the face value of cooperatives, most especially in the conduct of election.